Hi again! I didn't get a lot of sleep last night because when it comes to pulling the trigger, I realized I wanted to do something different. I've been texting some experts and consulting with our contractor friends and realizing I'm completely out of my depth here. So I've come to the decision that instead of painting this whole wall white, we're just gonna re-wallpaper it. I have to order wallpaper now, which is kind of tricky because it comes in large rolls, but you do have to have enough extra to duplicate the pattern overlaid on top of each other. This is so much geometry, and I think this is a good plug for everyone who is struggling to study at home. Stay in school, kids, because now my brain hurts just trying to figure out how much tile do I need and how much wallpaper and how much stick-on subway tiles. I'll have extra.
That's how sad it is.
Of windows, yes. What happened to yourself? Oh, I had my own meltdown today. I'm looking at all the material to go in the accenting places. Yeah, it's not cheap. We've got this adorable tulip wallpaper, the subway tile. I've actually picked a floor tile like this, the daisy for the bathroom. That's my fake shiplap sticker for the bedroom door. So actually, the items themselves are $400, and then the shipping and the taxes make it a total of $445. But gonna pull the trigger. Here's to a happy camper. Good morning. I just thought maybe we need to take a little break. Yesterday we just took some time to visit some cousins, have a play date, and I think everyone is in better shape. So the things I'm gonna do are paint the things I have prepped. Paul is actually going to remove a lot of stuff because we are going to paint the ceilings. So he's going to remove these light fixtures that we were going to spray paint gold. Let's take a look at our painting material. Supposedly, this roller that we got from the 99-cent store says it's perfect for walls, ceilings, edges, and more. You put the paint in here and supposedly you just keep going. So, yep, let's take a look at our paint. Looks kind of like yogurt. Don't eat it.
You think it looks like yogurt, Judah?
Yeah.
What are you trying to do, Judah?
I'm climbing just to find a ladybug.
Yeah. It's kind of like those stretchable things on top of poles.
Easy pour, yeah, right.
Yeah.
This is a historical moment. The first time Madgie's ever painted something not paper.
Maybe true. So why?
She might need to go over a few times. Is your mom a superhero?
Yeah.
We just came back from our lunch break, and some things we have learned. Tape the floor. If you're doing a cabinet and you want to paint the inside first. Our $2 roller is supposed to fill it. It's supposed to come out of the roller. I couldn't get it to work, but it works wonderfully as a regular roller, so I'm not disappointed with the purchase. Now is unboxing. Amazon orders came. I'm gonna guess this is wallpaper. Oh, all this packaging for one roll of beautiful wallpaper. Next! This actually might be homeschool. Oh! This is my faux shiplap. It is a little more gray than I expected. This is gonna get plastered onto our bedroom sliding door. This bad boy. It's heavy. This is 60 square feet of beautiful tile. Got our little daisy print. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it would be. All these things are waiting till the end. We have to do a lot more painting.
gutted a lot of things. We've primed and finished some of the walls and cabinetry. Here's the white world over there. All this will eventually be chalkboard. This is starting to be primed. We'll get it white later. So this first coat, we're thinking we're gonna have to do second coat on that guy. So things are happening, and it is good.
We are tired.